Hey.
Hi.
So we'll get Johnny in shot. There you go. So we have just pulled up to the house that we are going to be staying at, not staying in.
No, thankfully.
So we found a place to do some work. It's just Kiwi work. So it's at the moment just picking the kind of excess small berries so that the main fruit can grow.
Easy.
Yeah, nice and easy. But we're allowed to stay on this property, which for free, so you can't argue with that. And we just need a shower and a bathroom.
Yeah.
But I'm going to show you the property. I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll go through a walkthrough because no one else is here.
Yeah, we're going to stay in our van and cook in our van.
Yeah.
And I'm glad
because
that the shower and the toilet work. So.
Bleach.
Yeah.
So the door is open, which is fine. And the people it's already been cleaned once, but the people who lived here before apparently were a couple of German guys. And
Fuck me, it's disgusting. What did they do to it?
They just trashed it a bit.
I don't know how it was trashed anything.
No, it's an old house. It's nothing fancy. It is proper.
It's literally used to house people for free. So.
Yeah, it's out in the boonies. Yeah, so I wouldn't want to sleep on that.
No, I'm glad we got our own.
That one's okay. That one's okay.
Yeah,
and has a walk-on wardrobe.
Cleaned in case we wanted to stay.
Yeah, and then.
I mean, I don't know what we would have been staying on.
There's a toilet, and there's a shower. So
it's fine.
For us, that's fine. But yeah.
We are gonna be here for a week or so while we do some work to try and get some money. But the guy seems really chill. Like he said do it for a couple of days. If you don't like it, that's fine.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll start tomorrow,
Yeah.
so we'll go from there.
Just need a bit of money.
Yeah. Right, see you in a bit. It's nights like this that I'm very grateful for our van. Because I wouldn't sleep in that, even if it's free.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't.
The joys of work, eh?
Yeah, sort it.
Pick. Done quite a lot of them. Another day, another Kiwi farm. This one's quite a young farm, so it's been fairly easy. There's not been that much to do in terms of picking off. But we shall continue on with the day. It's not particularly hard work, it's just a bit dull and a bit meh. But yeah, keeps us busy, gets us paid. What more do you want? Day 3 on a Kiwi farm. A mighty fine job there, you doing? Hey. How's your neck?
Broken.
3 days in. Surrounded.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Oh. So I'm going to give you first-hand experience of what to do. And this is an organic one. So what we're doing, we're taking ones that look like this. Like that. Which we call cashews, and throwing them off. And if there's one that has triple, reduce it to double. It's not particularly exciting, nor is it particularly interesting, but we got blue skies. We got music going, which I've just paused for a minute. And yeah. Only problem is, as you can see with Alex, you're looking up, aren't you? Mm-hmm. And your neck and shoulders get a little sore. But yeah, pick, 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 pick. And then these become kiwis. What a lovely evening to fly the drone and take some pictures.
Yeah, it's really nice. Beautiful up here. Worth the drive after work.
Alex and I enjoying our first sausage sizzle.
Yep. Supporting local play centre.
That's what they call it.
Any excuse?
Yeah. Stuff. So we're at a different orchard today. It's nice and quiet, but we're doing something else. Instead of just picking, taking these ropes and attaching them to the leaders to what you can see up there. So it's fiddly because you have to then wrap the plants up like that. But it's a bit more interesting to do and a nice change of pace. It's always better when you have an orchard dog. One fun thing about this orchard is there's beehives. Bees! Welcome to the top of a kiwi orchard. Look my friend Mr. B. He's gone. But yeah, so we spend our time up here, and these ones that are shooting out like that, that one, I'll reattach a string and it will go up. So as it grows, it will naturally go up there. So yeah, Alex isn't a fan of this work, but I quite like it. It's a bit more interesting. Bye bye.